pa more! Morning everyone! We are now again in Science for Quarter 2, Week 1. Our lesson for today describe the main function of the bone. Let's get ready! Before we start, let's understand first the two divisions of bones. So the first division is axial skeleton. Axial skeleton consists of bones that form the axis of the body. The main function of this axial skeleton is to support and protect the organ of the head, neck, and trunk. So the different parts are the skull, the ribs, and the spinal column. Second division of the bones is what we call appendicular skeleton. In appendicular skeleton, these are the bones attached to the axial skeleton. Sila yung mga bones na nakakabit sa inyong axial skeleton. So what are these bones? So number 1, clavicle. Yung clavicle, yung makakapalay dyan sa baba ng inyong neck, yung pahaba. Yan yung parang hanger. And then scapula, sa may likod, yung flat bone. Yung pag inikot, ginalaw-galaw niyo yung flat bone na yan. Pag itinaas niyo yung inyong arms, yung nasa likod. And next, we have the forearm, pelvic girdle, yung inyong sa balakang, hands, thigh, hita, legs, and then foot. Let's move on to the functions of the bones. So the first function of the bone is it gives shape. So kung ang buto natin, yan, human tayo, yan ang hugis ng ating katawan. So pag bone ng dog, yung hugis ng bone na yun, yun ang magiging itsura ng animal. So the first one na kanyang function is it gives shape to our body. And then, it also supports to the body in doing activity. So, because of the bone, kaya nating umupo, sitting, standing, tumayo, writing, dancing, and many more. So, imagine yourself without a bone. Para lang tayong mga gelatin kung walang bone. So, thanks to the bones, at meron tayong shape, and then it also supports our body. Next function of the bones is it also protects the soft internal organs inside our body. So, the first bone, ito po ay set of bones. This is the ribs. So, ang ribs, meron niyang 12 set of bones. Ibig sabihin, there are 24 bones, and the ribs protects the heart and the lungs. So, yan yung nagpo-protect sa puso natin at saka sa baga, yung ribs. The next bone that protects the internal organs, or one of the internal organs, is the skull. So, yung skull na yan, sa ating ulo, yan yung buto sa ulo, it protects the brain. Next part of the bone that protects our kidney o yung ating bato and also support the body while sitting. Siya yung susuporta sa ating katawan pag umuupo. That is pelvic bones o yung buto sa ating balakang. So remember that the pelvic bones protects our kidney. Function is it is also the place of the muscle to be attached in our body. So kung walang buto, walang paglalagyan yung ating mga muscle, walang pagkakapitan. So, hindi tayo makakagalaw o yung ating flesh, wala siyang paglalagyan. Remember that the bones also serve as an attachment for muscles. The bones also serve as storage of minerals like calcium and phosphorus. So, ang ating buto, yan din yung pinaglalagyan ng mga calcium and phosphorus na kailangan ng ating katawan. Bones also serve as the place where blood is produced. So, kung mapapansin nyo yung buto sa mga kinakain nyo, for example, nilagang baka, tapos tinataktak nyo yung bones niyan, may lumalabas dyan, tapos sinasabi nyo utak. That is bone marrow, which is composed of blood. Yan yung pinanggagalingan or pinanggagawaan ng mga dugo or red blood cells. Bones also help us to move in different direction, o because sa buto, nagagalaw natin kung saan pwede natin igalaw yung parts ng ating katawan. So that part of the bone that will help us to move directly to the place where we wanted to is called joint. So sa mga joint na yan, sa mga dugtungan na yan, nagagalaw natin yung ating parte ng katawan. Halimbawa, yung shoulder nyo, pwede nyo iikot-ikot yan because of the joint. Yung legs nyo also, and then yung inyong mga elbow, may joint yan, may dugtungan, kaya nagagalaw nyo. So, very important that the bones also have the joint and help us to move to the direction we wanted to do. Let's keep learning! Thank you! God bless and keep safe. If you enjoy this video lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.